This is Nonna is lazy today, no cook pasta. It's an absolute innovation, just like you! Ingredients. Today I feel like absolutely super lazy. I don't want to do anything. What do you cook when you don't want to cook? It's the $1,000,000 question. I'm going to show you how a simple artisanal spaghetto comes alive by touching the very simple ingredients of life. Extra virgin olive oil, and yes, I got an olive oil dispenser that reminds me of it. Olio d'oliva. When I read it, I feel like I'm home. Next, garlic, chili peppers, but one-upping the chili peppers, we're using a Calabrian chili pepper paste. And of course, anchovies, pecorino romano cheese, and then some parsley. Get ready for the quickest no-cook sauce in the entire universe that's going to blow your mind. It's really so simple, it drives me bonkers. Why? Because the most gorgeous truths and dishes in life that stick with you forever and ever and ever are the ones that your grandmother made. The simpler way of life. There is a trend happening which finally social media has caught on, which is called Nonna Maxing. Well, you're welcome. I've been Nonna Maxing since 2020 publicly, but behind the scenes, I've been a Nonna since I was born. Why? Because taking up Nonna's hobbies makes you relax. It's therapeutic. If you try to grow a little herb plant, it just connects you on a whole new level. You've got to take some time for yourself. You've got to slow down. You've got to go and touch nature. Where is the parsley? Let's talk about the small little things of life which really completes us, which really complete you. What are they? Being in touch with nature, touching a freshly reaped plant from your own herb garden, grabbing a flower and giving it to one of your kids, taking your dog for a walk, walking around the block to go and visit your friends. These are all the little hobbies, the little extracurricular Nonna activities. So, today we have several Nonna activities. First and foremost, where are we going to make this no-cook sauce spaghetti dish? Grab yourself the best Nonna ceramic. I got this gorgeous dish. I call it dish because I've used it for pasta, for soups, for anything. Made in Italy is a vintage piece that once belonged to a great Nonna. Today, guess what we're doing? We're using it as the base to start our no-cook sauce. This sauce is completely raw. I'm going to show you how we mix these ingredients. This recipe comes with raw garlic. Raw garlic is spicy, but very good for you. When it's raw and chopped, it really packs a punch, not only with flavors, but with nutritional, antiviral, antibiotic properties. Being used for centuries really as a powerful tool of nature to protect yourself against evil forces of nature, human and non-human. What are we doing? We're doing a little paste. This is what I do. First, I finally mince the garlic, okay? Whoever says that they don't want to have garlic smelly fingers is a little crazy. Beware, don't befriend people like that, okay? People that are afraid of garlic, you know who they are. To create the garlic paste, we get some raw, finely ground sea salt. This is some of the best sea salt. Why do I use the best ingredients? Because guess what? You eat multiple times a day. The biggest culprit for your well-being and your mood is the food that you ingest on a daily basis. So why not take the best of the best, including salt, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, just a tad. Now we smash it. pasta water is boiling. Guess what we do? We put the best sea salt. This is coarse, unrefined, loaded sea salt. The spaghetti go in, artisanal, gorgeous spaghetti. Tears of the pasta gods. Pigorino Romano. The Nonna lazy pasta. It's just gorgeous! Guys, I'm just so proud that I could bring to you something so simple. It is really interchangeable. If you wish to put the chili peppers, you can. If you wish to not put them, you can. If you want to have something else other than parsley, you can have basil or whatever you fancy, oregano, even better for a fresh pasta. If you want to add diced, fresh sugar bomb tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, whatever you please, you can. It is absolutely and totally approved by all nonnas in Italy to have a no-cook, gorgeous sauce with some spaghetti toast in it. Took us what, 7 minutes? The length it took to cook the pasta al dente, and here you have it. It's absolutely stunning. I'm so excited. See you next week.